Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So I was making this 8-number cake for my niece's recent birthday. So I thought I'll share the recipe with you all. So let's begin.
Okay, so guys, here I have 2 cups of sugar. I have used these measuring cups. So it's 2 cups sugar here. I'm gonna add in 2 eggs to this. Then goes in half cup of milk. Make sure everything is at room temperature, not cold. Half cup of oil. This is normal vegetable oil. You can use any cooking oil, just make sure it's not any flavored oil. And we'll give this a whisk. I have an electric beater. If you don't have an electric beater, you can use any hand whisk, which we use for eggs. So on medium speed, I will mix it for around 2 minutes. So here you can see I've been beating this mixture for around 2 minutes and it's become nice and frothy. It's aerated and even the sugar has melted. So we'll add in the dry ingredients now. I'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, or also called as maida. Then goes in half a cup of cocoa powder. Add in around 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, we'll add in 1 teaspoon of salt.
Sieve all the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Make sure you sieve it at least once so there are no lumps formed.
Now once all the dry ingredients go in, make sure you use a spatula and fold on the ingredients inside. Okay, once the batter is mixed, I'll add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we need to add in half cup of boiling water. Make sure your water is boiling and give it a mix again. I have 2 9-inch cake tins which I have lined with parchment paper, and I've greased a little oil on it on the sides as well. We'll divide the batter. Once you divide the batter, make sure to pat it so all the air bubbles are released. And these go into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes.
So after 20 minutes my cake is done. You can insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done, and we'll cool it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, demold the cake, remove the parchment paper and cool it down completely. Meanwhile, we'll make the ganache.
So here in a saucepan, I'm taking 2 cups of whipping cream. This is heavy whipping cream. We'll bring it to a boil. You don't want to boil it completely, just it starts bubbling from the edges. Okay, so guys, you can see the cream has started to boil. So here I have 2 cups of dark chocolate chips. I will add in the cream to this. Once you add in the cream, cover it and keep it for 5 minutes.
So after 5 minutes, you can see the chocolate has completely melted. Give it a good mix. Once it's mixed completely, put it in the refrigerator at least for half an hour. After half an hour, remove it from the fridge and beat it with an electric beater till it gets nice and fluffy. And our ganache is ready. So my cakes have cooled down completely. I will cut around 1 inch from both the cakes so that it represents a figure 8. After that is done, I'll take a cookie cutter or any cutter or a katori you can take and cut both the centers from the cake so it looks like a number 8. Here I have filled the icing in a piping bag. I'm using a star nozzle and just pipe it all around the cake. You can decorate the cake the way you want. I've put some strawberries and blueberries and I've dusted it with icing sugar and the cake is ready. I hope you liked the recipe. If so, do like, share, comment and subscribe. I will see you with another video. Till then.